6:35 in the morning. So welcome back to channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great. Today I'm going to show you top 5 motorcycle hacks. Remember the tour you had with your friends? Everybody's riding 80-90 km per hour speed and you had to slow down because of the devil, and the devil is a fog. Here is the solution. You have two options. You can spend some bucks. You can get this pin lock or anti-fog like this, or I have another solution. So watch it. I have just removed the visor, cleaning it with a soft cloth. So it's done. Take some shampoo and remember it should be anti-dandruff and start rubbing. And also some shampoo in the front side. (46 to 57). That is around 10 minutes. In this time, I think it's okay now. Try to use some soft cloths, or even better, you can use microfiber cloths. First, I'm gonna do the back side. I'm done almost. Alright, I'm done. Now check this out. Now test this one. That's become foggy, but our visor, see, nothing's happened. It's clear. See, nothing happens. Shit, I'm sorry. Next, in a very hot day under the hot sun, you are using a helmet that doesn't have dual visor like this one, and you forget your sunglasses. So, all you need is a black tape. ডেমো পারপাসের জন্য আমি এটা একবার দেখাচ্ছি। এখানে আই লেভেল পর্যন্ত ট্যাপগুলো হবে। সো ডু ইট লাইক another time, another time. You got the idea. Use the belt. Helmet lock basically it's very useful. In case you do not have this for time being, you have to carry the helmet. Just simply do it like this. And okay. And you don't have to carry the helmet with your hand, just like this. Tut, 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 tut. Always keep some cable ties. This, it is very useful actually. You just never know when it can save you. Really. I really use these things a lot. And it's locked. Nothing happened. It's very strong, really. I cannot open it. All you have to cut this. I really love my gloves. See? I really love riding in the winter, in the rain, but this is not waterproof. So what happens when it rains and when I ride in the winter, my hands really gets cold. So here's my solution. So it's a $1 industrial gloves. Unlike the one-time surgery gloves or rubber gloves, this one is really, you just can't tear it. Okay, so and I can Now what do you think? Haha.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, you can share, subscribe. I'm going to come up with another top 5 motorcycle hacks video shortly. Till then, bye bye.
Hasta la vista, baby.